Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Click the subscribe button and press the bell icon. You will be notified every single time when I upload the new video. Hi guys, today we are going to discuss about Sociology of Class 12, Volume 2, Chapter 3, The Story of Indian Democracy. What is democracy? It's a system of government by the whole population or all the eligible members of a state, typically through elected representatives. It is a system of parliamentary democracy. In simple words, democracy means people have the power to choose leaders by choosing their representatives. Democracy is when people have the power to choose their leaders. Common man has a say in the government's works or choosing the representatives. It is of two types, direct and representative. Direct democracy, representative democracy. Representative democracy. We elect the representatives who take the decisions for us and govern the country. We have representatives at four levels: Parliament, Central Government, Legislative Assembly, State Government, Municipality and Municipal Corporation, City Self-Governing Bodies, Panchayati Raj, Village. USA there are two political parties, Democrats and Republicans. They have no system of prime ministership. Instead, they directly elect their president who is the center of the power. In India, there are many political parties due to many religions and cultures. Political democracy participate in major decision making and they elect their government. Decentralized governments, democratic decentralization, system of governance, where power is divided among levels and each level has its own powers and authority, duties or responsibilities. Example, Panchayati Raj. The core values of democracy. Democracy is not a modern term. It has been there for a long time. Example of democratic behavior has been shown in traditional plays and stories and in the epics and folklores. It is a combination of modern and traditional. Indian National Congress INC, the most powerful party, had sessions in various places. Karachi session of 1931 was crucial because the concept of Purna Swaraj came into being, also known as Karachi Resolution, in which ideas were put together and later put into constitution. Fundamental rights. Fundamental rights were taken from the ideas of constitution. All religions are equal. Everyone has the right to choose his or her religion. Everyone should be free to elect and vote for his or her representative. Women can also work and can exercise their rights. Right to freedom. Justice to all. Constituent Assembly and drafting of Constitution. Constituent Assembly formed to draft Constitution had members from all walks of life. During 1945 to 1946, Constituent Assembly was formed. People from all sections, religions, caste, language, element group, region were part of it. B.R. Ambedkar was the head of the assembly. There were lot of debates on various issues when Panchayati Raj was suggested. B.R. Ambedkar was against it. Constitution. It is a written document which constitutes the nation's tenets, rules and regulations that the government has to follow for the welfare of the people. Preamble. It is an introduction to the Constitution which gives us an idea of what the Constitution consists of. Preamble is an introduction to Constitution which gives us an idea of what the Constitution consists of. It consists of socialist, equal wealth, secular, equal importance to all religions, republic, president is the head of the state, it's not mandatory, liberty, freedom, equity, ownership interest of shareholders in a corporation, democratic, government elected by the people, for the people, of the people, fraternity, brotherhood. Laws are written down, it is forced, and you have no choice but to follow it. All laws are implemented and given in the Constitution. Justice, fairness, not always given. People are supposed to follow the laws, but justice is not always fair. The Constitution is a document that has all the laws and the do's and don'ts which the government has to follow. Laws are implemented by authorities who have been given power and authority to implement the laws. Traffic police, border security force have their own responsibilities. Constitution or government has the responsibility to take care of the suppressed classes like the scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, minority, differently abled, women and OBC. We have three courts: district courts at the district level, state level courts, Supreme Court, the highest judicial body. If justice is not given to a person in district or high court, he can move to the Supreme Court. Supreme Court's decision is final and binding. Usually high courts are in the capital of state. The Panchayati Raj, village level. Village Panchayat, all members above the age of 18 vote for Panchayat. The head of the village of Panchayat is Sarpanch. All members of village Panchayat vote for block. All members of block vote for Zilla Parishad, known as self-governing body, also municipality and municipal corporation. It is also known as the three-tier system. Ambedkar was against the Panchayati Raj because it would divide. In 1992, 73rd and 74th amendments were made in which Panchayati Raj became part of the constitution. 73rd amendments, Panchayati Raj became a self-governing body along with municipality and municipal corporation. Elections are to be held every 5 years. Members of Panchayat should include members from scheduled caste and scheduled tribe. 74th Amendment, 33% of seats have been reserved for women, but of which 17% are for scheduled caste and scheduled tribe women. In 1994, first Panchayat elections were held. Powers and duties of Panchayat. Four duties of Panchayat: to prepare plans and schemes for economic development, to levy and collect taxes, duties and revenues from villages, to promote schemes and plans to take care of social justice, to help in the devolution of governmental responsibilities, especially that of finances, to local authorities. Social responsibility: taking care of registration of births, deaths, burial grounds, promotion of cattle facilities, family planning, child care, etc. Economic construction of roads, buildings, wells, tanks, ponds, schools, college, small scale industry and irrigation facilities. Money from the taxes or duties go to the Panchayat and they use it for the village. Social justice: women are protected, taken care of. Scheduled caste, scheduled tribe people also. Proper social justice is important, carrying out what the government suggests. Tribal political systems. The government was thinking of making Panchayati Raj apart from the constitution but did not include source tribal areas, especially northeast, as they already had their political system that was well developed. Example, in Meghalaya, the Khasis, Garos, and Jaintias. In the Khasi tribes, the political organization is at three levels: village, clan, and state. Panchayati Raj, village, block, and district. They have a council called Darbarkur. Clan is like a big family. They cannot marry in their own clan. The head is called as clan head, just like the sarpanch of the panchayat. Tribal society is supposed to be an egalitarian society, but it is not so. There are inequalities in the tribal societies, like all women are suppressed and are not given democratization and inequality. In spite of democracy, there is still inequality, as it is seen in travels, religion, race, culture, caste, language, etc. Differentiation is shown to people in particular groups, communities, castes, etc. Gram Sabha members are often contended by a small political party. It is an organization with certain aims, ideologies, and manifestos. The aim of achieving government power and using that power to pursue a specific program based on certain understanding of society and how it ought. Interest groups. Different interest groups will work towards influencing political parties. When certain groups feel that their interests are not being taken up, they may move to form an alternative party. Or they form pressure groups who lobby with the government. Interest groups are organized to pursue specific interests in the political arena, operating primarily by pressure groups. All groups will not have the same access or the same ability to pressurize the government. Some argue that the concept of pressure groups underestimate the power that dominate social groups such as class or caste or gender in a society. They feel it would be more accurate to suggest that dominant class or classes control the state. Social movements and pressure groups also continue to play an important role in democracy. Important terms that are very important for this chapter. Indian Constitution, India's basic norms. All other laws are made as per the procedures the Constitution provides. Nyay Panchayat, authority of Panch to hear some petty or civil and criminal cases and have authority to impose fines. Panchayat, the system of taking collective decision through Panch, a group of 5 people. It is largely self-governed. Panchayati Raj, the Indian democratic decentralization is known as Panchayati Raj. It was introduced in 1959. 73rd and 74th amendments gave this system constitutional status. Political party, an organization established with the aim of achieving governmental power and using that power to pursue a specific program. If you like this video, hit the like button, comment, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. You will be notified every single time when I upload new video. If you like, you can share with your friends. Thank you.